What up? My name is Sam. Welcome to Wine and Wash Wednesdays, where I will give you a first-hand look at the fastest growing hair care products in the US. Our products are anti-aging, vegan, cruelty-free, and we say no to all toxic ingredients, which include parabens, sulfates, sodium chlorides, harmful colors, fragrances, and all other harsh chemicals. Our patented ingredients are proven to increase hair growth, decrease the DHT hormone that's directly related to hair loss, increase follicle strength, and the collagen related to follicle size. I know what you're thinking. My hair's different, it's not gonna work on me.
Yes.
Our hair products are suited for everybody with any different hair type. That is what I'm here for. I'm gonna consult you and give you the right products. So take a look and see. Let's have some fun. Yo! Welcome to Wine Wash Wednesday. Today I have a special guest. You will never guess who it is. Only my favorite person in the world. Woo! Who that is?
Nope, the one and only.
The one, the only, Diego Avocado. Diego has successfully not touched my products for 1 month of me having them and using them.
Sounds about right.
Strictly because I wanted to do this video with him using the products for the first time.
I'm a doubter, so.
Yes.
And she's also successfully made me not wash my hair for 2 days, which is kind of weird for me, but.
Shun the non-believers. Although he looks perfect, he's got dandruff.
Yeah, it's a very sensitive subject for me. So. Everybody knows. Got dandruff.
Now they know. so we're gonna show him the dandruff situation.
Yeah, do a little close up over here. I don't know if you guys can see that.
So, as you can tell, he doesn't have any hair loss issues or anything. He's got pretty thick hair, got a few grays in there.
It's a new thing now.
It's new.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
So what I'm gonna have him use is the black shampoo, 2-in-1, so we can fix his scalp. So if you want to regulate your scalp issues and fix it, that's where my shampoo comes in. He also uses, what do you use for your styling, okay? For your stuff?
Oh, it's called Salon brand. Very high end. I think it's called like Reddington.
Redken. Yeah.
Redken, it's like a molding paste.
Okay.
Matte finish.
We're gonna use some of our styling clay.
I'm the guinea pig tonight. Yeah. So I get to test all the different products.
Yeah.
That's fine.
What I'm also gonna do is for your scalp, I'm gonna do like a little oil treatment for like 10 minutes too. So I'm gonna put some oil on your scalp.
Wait, do I get a massage out of it?
If you're lucky.
Sign me up. I'm in.
It's the only reason he's here. Alright.
Cheers. Alright, let's go try this out. I'm excited.
Alright. First we're gonna do
What is this stuff again?
Le Liquid Gold.
Okay.
I have talked about this before, but this oil is infused in all of our products. And this oil has 101 uses, which works on dandruff, or psoriasis, eczema, alopecia, all the issues.
What about wrinkles?
Not necessarily.
No.
But it works on acne scars and cuticles and athlete's foot, all this stuff. But for today, it's for dandruff. So, please hold. I'm gonna put a few drops in the scalp. Now we let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna do a little wash sesh.
Say that 10 times fast. Can't do it.
Right. Let's do it. Yeah. Campus dice. Boom.
Why are you doing this? Hey you. Guys. Girls. Guys.
Mostly guys.
Guys.
How was your washing experience?
It's good. It's good. I like getting pampered every once in a while.
Princess is really picky with how he does his hair, so I'm going to let him style it himself. He is going to be using our Groom styling clay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. They call me Johnny Bravo.
I think this looks okay.
So, no more dandruff. No more dandruff for my baby here.
This guy. No more.
Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching. I will see you next Wednesday for someone else with some other hair.
Peace out, guys.